In this video, we will learn how to insert comment in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my data. I want to insert some comment here. If I write here something as mention amount 1 to 12,000, 5,000, 10,000 and 18,000. If I want to add here the comment, insert here the comment, just select the cell. You can see here the insert comment option. Click on that. Just add comment. You can see here my login also see ABC. I just want to write amount mentioned in rupees. Okay, and comment it. That's it. If comment is resolved is completed, then you can tick on mark as a result and hide the discussion. If when you click on the result, the comment is not show here. Just click on the result. It means you done the work. If you give the work to other person, then you can write the comment as per your requirement in data. When he complete this requirement, then he click on that resolve sign. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.